Welcome to the Naughty Time. Thanks for tuning in again. In today's video, we're going to be jumping right into that brownie ring again. And we're making a cake mix, but this is gluten-free Supreme Brownie Double Chocolate Thick and Chewy. Will these hold up to a real brownie with flour and chocolate and butter and sugar? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. And will my family know the difference? All right, here we go. So we're gonna start with an 8x8 pan. I happen to be using a non-stick 9x9 pan because I'm a crazy rebel. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just using some regular butter to grease this. So now we're going to be stirring together a 1/3 cup water, a 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Here's my 1 egg. Then I just measured out a 1/3 cup oil, 1/3 cup water in my big cup. I'm gonna dump that in there. So you gotta stir this until it's blended. Now we're gonna add our brownie mix. Again, this is the gluten-free Supreme Brownie Mix. It's thick and chewy. All right, it smells like a regular brownie, I'm telling you. I can already smell the chocolate. My question is, will it be as good as those badass Katharine Hepburn brownies? I just want to make sure that this is blended good. And the lumps you see are chocolate chips. I can absolutely feel them in there. This is loaded with chocolate chips. This has a really long bake time. Wow, but it's a low and slow brownie, so that probably is why. This is going to bake at 325 for 48 to 52 minutes. Now why don't they just say 45 to 55 minutes? Like, I took my brownies out at exactly 52 minutes and 38 seconds. And obviously everybody's oven varies. So I'm just gonna spread this around so it's kind of even. So again, we're gonna bake this 325 for 48 to 52 minutes. If you have a glass pan, which a lot of people do, add an extra 5 minutes. It definitely says do not overbake. So it says freshly baked brownies appear underbaked. The texture will be ideal once cool. All right, I've changed my shirt. I know this is a different day, but I did want to wrap up the Krusteaz, I think is how you pronounce it, gluten-free double chocolatey brownie mix. So they actually turned out really great. You would not know these from regular brownies. Are they as great as Katharine Hepburn's? Probably not, but they still make a really good fudgy brownie. Honestly, with these being made of rice flour, I would have never guessed it. You get that little bite from the chocolate chips. It's a rich chocolate. They're nice and cracked on the top. I don't know if anybody can see that, but they do crack a little on the top. I did overbake them. I probably would bake them about 5 minutes less. It's said to be really careful about the baking time, but for me, I think I would try it 5 minutes less. I'm gonna totally buy these again. They were really good. So I would give these brownies a 2 thumbs up. Everybody in my family liked them. So thanks for watching the Naughty Time. This was a product review. If you like this video and want to see more, go ahead and push the thumbs up. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, and if you want to be notified, just hit that bell down below and that will notify you every time I upload a new video. See you next time on the Naughty Time.